Good morning, friends. This is Mrs. Truesdale. I miss you guys so much. Today we're going to do calendar. It's going to look a little different than the way we do it in class, but I wanted to start our day doing our normal calendar routine. So, it is still March. The last time we saw each other, it was March 12th. And today is March 30th. Let's count the number of days we've been out of school. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 days we have been out of school. Now, I counted the weekends that time. Let's count the number of school days that we have not been in school. Which days will we not count if we're counting the school days only? That's right. We won't count the weekend. We won't count Sunday or Saturday. Okay, so let's count how many school days we have not been in school. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 school days we have not been in school. All right, let's talk about the days of the week. I told you what day it was earlier, but does anybody remember what day it was? It is today. Today is the first day of the week. Today is Monday. You guessed it. And if today is a Monday, what was yesterday? Today is Monday. What was yesterday? You guessed it. Yesterday was Sunday. So yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. What will tomorrow be? What will tomorrow be? Sunday, Monday. You guessed it. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good. So today is the third month, January, February, March. So today is the third month. It's the 30th day. And we're still in 2020. 2020. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Let's mark how many days we have been out of school. So on the calendar, we counted how many days we've been out of school. How many days did I count? Was it 10 days we were out of school? No. How many days have we been out of school? Oh, yes, that's right. 13. 13 days we've been out of school. So let's count. Let's count on the hundreds chart first. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay with me. 11, 12, 13. Stop. We've been out of school 13 school days. Let's make tally marks to represent the number 13. You can make a tally mark on your paper with me, or you could just follow along. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How do we do 5 on a tally mark? Yes, diagonal 5. What's the number after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9. What do we do with a group of 5? Diagonal. Good. 8, 9, 10. What's the number after 10? 11, 12, 13. We have 13 days that we have been out of school. Very good. Let's make the number 13 using, what's this called again? Oh yeah, tens frames. Let's make the number 13 using tens frames. So we're going to make the number 13. How do we write 13 with the numbers? Oh, I know. Oh, it's going on my pen. So let's write the number 13 with numbers. Oh, I know. 13. Is that right? No. Which number was that? 31. Right. That's not what I want. Okay, let's try again. What about 13? Yes, that is correct. Okay, let's build 13. Ready? So 13, how many groups of 10 or bundles of straws, just like in the classroom, do I need? How many groups of 10 do I need? Yes, you're right. I need one group of 10. I need one group of 10 to make 13. So here we go. One group of 10. And how many ones do I need to make 13? How many ones? 11, 12, 13. That's right, if you said 3. I need 3 ones to make the number 13. And here we have 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. What's another way I can make 13? Oh, yeah. I could fill up a whole tens frame. How many do I have now in my tens frame? You shouldn't have to count. One full row is 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many were I counting? Oh, I was counting 13. 11, 12, 13. I can do one full tens frame of 10 and one of 3 to make 13. Kiss your brain if you got it right. Well, I think that is enough math for us today. I can't wait to see you guys live tomorrow. Ask your moms and dads if you can get on Zoom so you can see me tomorrow at 11. Okay, bye.